Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here today to tell you why most people will never be rich, and this is how I break free from that trap. Are you interested in this topic? If yes, comment below with the phrase, "I will be the first billionaire in my family." When I see your comment, I'll know you're wise, and I'll give you a heart. If you'd like to support this channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for doing that. Now that you've commented and subscribed, let's get started. Many times I tell young people that being broke is normal, but staying broke is a choice. I hope this will sink into your mind. You may come from a very poor background, but it's left for you to decide to be wealthy or remain stuck in poverty. When I was 9 years old, I learned a lesson that changed my life forever. It didn't come from school. It didn't come from a motivational seminar. It came from sitting at my kitchen table watching my two dads argue. One was my real dad, my poor dad, a smart man, highly educated, with a steady government paycheck. He believed in job security, pensions, and working hard until you retire. He always said, "Go to school, get good grades, and get a safe job." The other was my best friend's father, my rich dad, a man who never finished the 8th grade, but built an empire from scratch. He believed in financial education, cash flow, and making money work for you. He always said, "The rich don't work for money, they make money work for them." And here's what shocked me. Both men loved me, both wanted me to succeed, but their advice could not have been more opposite. The trap most Americans fall into my poor dad's path sounded safe. Go to college, get a good job, buy a house and save money. But here's the problem, it's a trap. Why? Because the American financial system isn't designed to reward employees. It's designed to tax them. Think about it. When you earn a paycheck, who gets paid first? The government. And when you spend what's left, you pay sales tax, gas tax, property tax. You're taxed coming and going. Meanwhile, my rich dad taught me that the rich play by a different set of rules. They own assets, businesses, real estate, investments, and the tax code rewards them for creating jobs, housing, and economic growth. That's when I realized the reason most people stay broke isn't because they're not working hard enough. It's because they're playing the wrong game. I remember asking my rich dad, "So what's the first step?" He smiled and said, "Change your words. Your words shape your thoughts shape your actions, and your actions shape your future." Poor dad always said, "I can't afford it." Rich dad would say, "How can I afford it?" One shuts your brain off, the other forces it to think. One keeps you broke, the other makes you resourceful. So I started paying attention to my words. Instead of saying I need a job, I'd ask, how can I create cash flow? Instead of saying I want to be rich, I'd ask, what asset can I acquire this month? Why most people stay poor? The average American spends years in school learning math, science, and history, but never once learns how money actually works. We're taught how to work for money, but never how to have money work for us. So people graduate with student loans, buy a house they can't really afford, get trapped in credit card debt, and then wonder why they're always stressed about money. It's not because they're lazy, it's because they were trained to be employees, not owners. The 3-day mind reprogramming, Rule Rich Dad taught me a simple technique I still use today. If you want to change your financial life, you must change your mental programming, and you can start in just 3 days. For 3 days, speak like the rich. Replace words of limitation with words of possibility. Instead of "I can't," say "How can I?" Instead of "It's too expensive," say "What asset can I create to pay for this?" Instead of "I need more money," say "I need more ideas." You'll be shocked how quickly your brain starts finding solutions, instead of excuses. A challenge for you. Right now, ask yourself, are my words building my future or burying it? Am I playing the employee's game or the investor's game? Am I working for money or making money work for me? Here's the truth. Wealth isn't about how much you earn, it's about how you think. The poor work for money, the middle class work for comfort, the rich work for freedom. So, which will you choose? If you found this message powerful, write this in the comments. I'm building assets, not excuses. And when I see your comment, I'll know you're wise, and I'll give you a heart. Now that you've commented, let's continue. I want you to remember this today. Building assets. It's not Wall Street. It's not the government. It's not the economy. But it's the economy between your ears that determines whether you end up rich or broke. And I challenge you to make a decision never to stuck in poverty. The same decision changed my life today, and this is your turn to change your financial life. If this message stirred something in you, don't keep it to yourself. Share it, like and subscribe, but most importantly, take action. Not next week, not tomorrow, today. Because like I always say, today is tough. Tomorrow will test you even more. But the day after tomorrow, that's when life becomes beautiful. The tragedy, most people give up the night before. So don't stop, don't wait, don't quit. Let's meet the day after tomorrow where the results live. If this video has added value to your life and you're excited to make the most of it, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Please share your feedback in the comments below. And don't forget to include the phrase, "I watched the video till the very end, so give me a heart." When I see your comment, I'll make sure to give you a heart. To continue your journey to success, there are 3 important steps you need to take. 1. Like this video. 2. Subscribe to this channel. 3. Turn on the notification bell. By doing this, you'll ensure you never miss out on the life-transformative information we share each week for free. Don't miss our future videos, where we'll be sharing even more golden nuggets of knowledge. All I ask for is your subscription, and I sincerely appreciate it. Creating quality content for you is our passion, and your support keeps us going strong and helps us continue creating inspiring and motivational content. Click on the subscription button to join now and be part of our journey to excellence and financial success. If you enjoyed this video, it's because you understand the importance of improving your financial situation. Tell us in the comments how this video has impacted you and where you are watching us from. We'd love to hear your story. Thank you for tuning in. You are the Billionaire Mindset Media Makers. Be sure to watch our other videos displayed on your screen now. We love you.